Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asif Umer and our today's activity is making lava lamp. In this activity we are going to learn about density and we also going to make carbon dioxide gas. You can see oil in the test tube. Going to add few drops of food coloring. Small amount of water. Oil is floating at the top. Why? Because oil density is less than water. Going to put small piece of a calcium tablet in the test tube. Before doing this activity, I want to tell you very important thing about calcium tablet. Calcium tablet is a mixture of different compounds, but two very important compounds are baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Number 2 is lemon juice, citric acid. Going to put calcium tablet inside the test tube. Bubbles produce. Why? Because of a chemical reaction and bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. I am going to add small pieces of calcium tablet in the test tube. The calcium tablet react with the water to produce carbon dioxide gas. These gas bubbles attach themselves to the color water and causes them to float to the surface. When the bubbles pops, the color sinks back to the bottom of the tube. In this activity, we learned density and we also made carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas also a fire extinguisher. Plant gives us oxygen and take carbon dioxide gas and we do the opposite of it. I hope you like this activity.